Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play John Lennon's Love on Piano. First, let's understand the song's simple structure and key. The song primarily uses a few core chords, making it accessible for many players. We'll focus on the main chord progression, which is quite repetitive and helps in learning the piece quickly. Start by familiarizing yourself with these fundamental elements before moving to more complex techniques. Now, let's focus on your left hand, which will handle the chords and bass line. For Love, the left hand often plays broken chords or arpeggios, creating a gentle, flowing accompaniment. Start by playing the root note of each chord, then gradually add the other notes. Remember to keep your rhythm consistent. A metronome can be a great tool to help you achieve a steady beat. Moving to the right hand, we'll tackle the melody and any additional harmonic elements. The melody of Love is quite distinctive and often played with single notes. Once you're comfortable with the melody, try adding some chord tones to create a richer sound. The key is to ensure smooth transitions between notes and phrases, allowing the melody to sing beautifully over your left hand accompaniment. Practice slowly, then gradually increase your speed. To master Love, practice each hand independently until you feel confident. Then, slowly bring both hands together, focusing on coordination. The sustain pedal is crucial for this song. Use it to connect your chords smoothly, but remember to lift it as new chords arrive to avoid muddiness. If you find yourself getting thirsty during practice, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Consistent, focused practice will help you play this beautiful song with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.